Good evening, India. Welcome back to BJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines. Bihar officer shares Chhath message with French world. Chhath, a 4-day festival known for blessings of prosperity and health, started on November 5, 2024. While traditionally rooted in Bihar and Jharkhand, this festival has gained global appreciation partly due to Bihar IPS officer Kumar Ashish's efforts. Ashish, originally from Jamui, has actively promoted the festival's significance across 54 French-speaking countries. Over 15 years ago, during a study trip to France, he introduced the cultural essence of Chhath Puja to a French audience, leaving a lasting impression. Today, his dedication has transformed Chhath from a regional observance into an internationally appreciated celebration, thereby extending Bihar's culture, influence and contributing to India's global heritage. Jharkhand CM criticizes silence on tribal women's safety. At a campaign event for upcoming elections, Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren criticized the lack of attention toward violence against tribal women in Manipur, calling out leaders who support women's rights rhetorically but ignore real incidents. Soren specifically pointed to the Northeast Development Council's chairman, especially Assam Chief Minister, for not taking action on these matters. He argued that BJP's selective focus on women's safety issues is politically motivated, citing controversial decisions like the release of convicts in the Bilkis Bano case as examples. As Jharkhand's election approach, his stance on gender equality and protection of tribal communities highlights a significant theme within the state's political landscape. Jamshedpur East Assembly race intensifies between key parties. The Jamshedpur East Assembly constituency and industrial hub in Jharkhand is witnessing fierce competition as BJP and Congress work to win over voters. Historically, a BJP stronghold, this constituency was represented by former Chief Minister Raghubar Das for 5-year consecutive terms until 2019. As elections draw near, both parties are vigorously campaigning to secure the seat, focusing on local issues like employment and urban development that resonate with voters. The outcome of this race is expected to impact the region significantly, marking a major political event between these two influential parties in a high-stakes contest for one of Jharkhand's key industrial areas. Prashant Kishore highlights education as solution to poverty. Prashant Kishore, political strategist and leader of Jan Suraj Party, is promoting a vision for poverty reduction in Bihar focused on educational reform. Highlighting the critical role of education in breaking poverty cycles, Kishore's approach prioritizes improving schools and reducing dropout rates. Bihar's long-standing poverty issues have often been linked to inadequate education, with prior administrations under Lalu Prasad Yadav and Nitish Kumar failing to address these challenges effectively. By pushing for improved educational access, he aims to provide Bihar's youth with the skills needed for long-term economic growth. His campaign message presents education as the foundation of progress, offering a new approach to address the region's socio-economic challenges. Bihar CM reviews Simariya Ghat preparations for Chhath Puja. Bihar's Chief Minister Nitish Kumar recently visited Simariya Ghat in Begusarai district to inspect ongoing renovations ahead of Chhath Puja celebration. The state has invested rupees 118 crore to develop Simariya Ghat into a prominent pilgrimage site, drawing design inspiration from Haridwar. Kumar, along with senior government officials, reviewed the newly built facilities and checked on preparations for the annual Kalpavas Mela. These enhancements are part of a broader government plan to turn Simariya Ghat into a major tourist attraction, promoting both cultural heritage and tourism in the region. The initiative reflects Bihar's commitment to preserving significant cultural landmarks and bolstering the state's tourism potential.